Hello and welcome back to Alyena's kitchen. Today we are making a blueberry mango lassi smoothie and it's absolutely delicious. It's made with all natural healthy ingredients which I love, so let's get started. To start making my smoothie, the first thing I've done is just taken a handful of ice and put it in my blender, and to that I'm going to add in my mango. You can use fresh or frozen fruit, but I like to use frozen. I also had it on hand. So I have half a cup of frozen mango. Well, a little less than half a cup now. Close enough. And to that I'm going to be adding in half a cup of frozen blueberries. And next I have 1 tablespoon of almond butter, or you can add in a handful of almonds. It's up to you on this one. And I also have a 3/4 cup of almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. I just like almond milk and it keeps the recipe, I don't know, I was gonna say vegan, but it's not vegan. Next I have, to make this the lassi, is my yogurt. So today I have half a cup of yogurt that I'm going to be adding in. And for me, I'm using vanilla yogurt because I just like the flavor it brings to the smoothie, but you can use plain as well. Gotta get every drop. Next thing I have is I have a 1/4 teaspoon of lime zest, which I'm just gonna add in. And the last ingredient is optional, but I really like it. It's 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just give you some extra flavor. And that's all there is to it. Now all we have to do is blend it together. Here we have our beautiful finished smoothie, and I will say we did have a little bit of an error when we were making this, because to get the perfect shot we were standing over it without a lid, and when we turned it on it exploded and I have a lot of smoothie and yogurt in my hair now. So I wasn't very pleased, but it's all good. So we have our finished smoothie, and now all that's left to do is drink it. Ooh, it smells so good. The smoothie's great because if you're hungry you can have the whole thing, but it also feeds 2 people, so you get to decide. Now all I have to do is taste it. So good, so fruity and delicious. It almost tastes like a dessert in a way, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would have this for dessert or for breakfast because it's healthy too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.